Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Today we are going to discuss water scarcity on plants and how can we minimize the use of water. We can save water by avoiding its overuse and wastage. Proper and careful utilization of water, avoiding its wastage and maintaining the amount of water in its different sources is called water conservation. We have already discussed two water conservation methods. The first one is rainwater harvesting and the second one is bowrace. We can avoid wastage of water in our daily life by adopting the following measures. Turn off the tap after using it. Do not keep the tap running while brushing teeth or washing hands. Use a mug and bucket to take bath instead of shower. Water the plants with a bucket and mug instead of a pipe. Take only that much of water in a tumbler that you can drink. Do not throw water in the sink. Pour it over plants. Do not throw away water used for washing vegetables, rice and pulses. Use it for watering the plants. Get the leaking pipes and taps repaired immediately. So these are number of ways we can adopt to minimize the wastage of water. Next, we have to discuss effect of water scarcity on plants. Actually, plants need water for absorbing nutrients from the soil for photosynthesis. Then you must have seen potted plants wilting and ultimately drying up if they did not get water even for a few days. That means plants wilt and become dry in the absence of water. In the absence of water, plants may die and oxygen released by the plants may get depleted and thus causing the death of all organisms. The green character of the planet shall be lost. So, in short, we can say that for a world without plants shall mean no food, no oxygen, not enough rainfall. So, our chapter is completed. Read the textbook well and underline important points. Okay, thank you.